Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to set the Wingscape motion activated bird camera. Now I've done some videos in the past to show example images and videos of this. In this video I'm just going to be walking you through how to set the camera. First and foremost, you have a focus wheel right here. You'll notice on here you've got like 6 inches, 7 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches, 12. Depending on how far your camera is from your feeder or your bird bath, you're going to adjust this focus wheel and it will basically focus in on your subject area. They give you a tape measure you can use, or you can basically eyeball it, but you want to have this set correctly to avoid having blurry images. That's your first and most basic setting. It's a simple wheel that you simply turn. Now let's open it up and let's look at actually setting the camera. Runs on a full-size SD card and 4 AA batteries. You could also run it on a 6-volt input, whether that's electricity or solar panel. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on to set it. You'll notice that there is a switch on the left-hand side, off, set up, and on. And then you've got some buttons on the right-hand side that we'll be using once we turn it on. To set the camera, all we're going to do is move this switch to the setup position. Really easy to set up. When the camera turns on, you will see your current time and the setting of your camera. If you want to adjust it, you're simply going to press the enter button and it'll take you through your settings. The very first setting you can adjust is your hour. This is your current time, so I can move my hour up or I can move my hour down. Press enter to confirm my hour. Next thing will be my minutes. We're going to do the same thing, up or down, to adjust your minutes. Press enter again. You can adjust your AM, PM indicator. Do you want it AM or PM? Enter another time will take you to your month. Again, we can adjust our month up or down. Press enter will take us to the date. We can adjust our date using the buttons on the right hand side. Again, press enter to confirm. The next setting would be your year. Press enter once you've got your year set. Now the next thing is going to be your duration of how often does the camera reset after it's been triggered. I will show you your available options. 0 would mean it automatically re-triggers immediately. 15 seconds, 30-second delay, 1 minute delay, or a 5-minute delay. Those are your options for your delay settings. I'm going to set mine to 1 minute. Once you've got it the way you want, simply press enter to confirm your changes. The next thing is going to be your mode. You have a video mode. Basically, when it gets triggered, just take video. You can also do a low megapixel single image, a high megapixel single image, 3 low megapixel single images, which means when the camera gets triggered, it takes 3 pictures at a time. A high 3 picture setting, and then back to video. Set it to whatever you want by pressing enter on the given value. The next thing is just going to be labeling your camera. This is camera number 1. I can label it 2, 3, 4, 5. This is really more for tracking purposes. If you're putting out multiple cameras and you want to be able to identify that these images were taken with camera 1 versus camera 3 or so on and so forth, you can set what value it is for the given camera. For me, this is going to be number 1. The next thing is going to be managed memory. What this is if it's off, when your memory card fills up, the camera will stop taking pictures or videos. If you turn this on, when the memory card fills up, the camera will continue to take pictures and videos, and it will overwrite or erase the earliest image or video that's on the memory card. So you can set that to whatever you want. In my case, I just wanted, if it fills up, to not take any more pictures or images. And then the last thing is your delete option. Do you want to delete everything on the SD card and start over your picture count? You have a no option. You have a yes option. It's basically delete yes or delete no. If you wanted to delete everything while it's on delete yes, simply press enter and you've deleted everything. Really simple stuff. Once you've got it set the way you want, you're going to simply put it out in the field, switch this to on, and you've successfully set your Wingscape bird camera. I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.